To apply formula to entire column in Excel, simply hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I want to show you how to apply a function to entire column A or B or C or any column you want in Excel. Let's say we have a lot of number. Okay, the first column A, okay, and we have the second one B. Okay, also I have a lot of number. Okay, let's say we want to create another column C that C equal the summation of the column A and B plus B. Okay guys, as you can see here, I want all the function to be applied to all this column here. So simply click in the cell that include the function, and here guys, double click in the corner bottom right corner of the cell, and the function will be applied to all the column, to the entire column. That's it guys, so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.